Hello guys and welcome to this new channel of Speed Force. Today I'm gonna show you how to install aftermarket lights, how to replace your stock lights on your FRS, BRC or 86. And I'm gonna leave you the link on the description what about the lights. So let's go. This is our new lights, aftermarket lights that we just got for a hybrid RGB a week ago. It's a pretty good lights. I mean, look, it got Bluetooth on it, RGB color that it makes up to 60.7 million different lights color, and it got a S-Blade cooling fan, Bluetooth connection, what I said, and low beam scope LED. I mean, it's a really good, aftermarket lights. And this is how they look. Oh, it got a little bit messed up here. Let me show you guys. Right here. So you can see, look really good. So now I'm gonna show you how to install them on the FRS that it just cut. That is right here. And the process to install these lights, it could be the same on the FRS, BRC or 86. That's the same that I said on the introduction of the video. So let's get it. Okay guys, the first thing that we have to do is we have to connect all the wires that comes with the lights. As you guys can see here, all these wires, you have to connect them. Right here, like that. And then the second one, where is it? Right here. Okay. After that, we have to remove our stock lights. They are already done, as you guys can see. Okay. The second part, the third part, we have to use a 10mm socket right here to remove the positive from the battery. And the negative right here. Like that. Then we're gonna put the negative from the wire, the black wire, right here, and the red wire right here. Gonna install them back. And as you guys can see, right here, they are already on. Okay. Now we're gonna put the cover back on. Now we're gonna have to put all the wires, all the lights around the engine, so that way it won't burn with the engine. So you guys can see here, we're gonna have to install this part right here on the old connection from the stock lights, like that. We're gonna have to put the bolts, the lights, and the headlight. Like that. I'm gonna have to leave it like this. And to hold them in place, we're gonna have to use, to hold them in place, the wires, we're gonna have to use some straps We're gonna have to use some straps to hold them in place, like this. Like that. And then these ones, that goes to the other side. Gonna leave the cables here, around here, so that way they won't, like that. And the second one, gonna go all the way around here. Gonna use this brackets that comes with the car already to hold the cable, like that. Like this. We're gonna do the same here as on the other side. We're gonna connect the cable that comes with the stock lights with this one here. We're gonna install the lights on their place. Like that. Another thing that I like about these lights is that they come with the app called Happy Lights, as you guys can see right here. This app right here. The only thing that you have to do is you have to download the app and then connect it with the lights. And then whenever you start the car and put music, they will change by the music goes, as you guys can know. I'm gonna show you how it works right now. See guys, the lights are changing by the music goes. So that's basically how you install the aftermarket lights that I just showed you guys, and see you in the next video.